Okay guys, welcome back. So in this app, we try to find the highest common factor by listing the factors of a number. Okay? Now this is a basic and a direct method of finding the highest common factor. And without any real theory, you just brute force write down all the factors that you can think of that divide into the numbers, and then you take the highest of them. Now, while it would be great to understand the concept of the highest common factor, and probably the best way to start is it's also quite inefficient and cumbersome, and when the numbers get big at all, we'll be using more direct, sophisticated methods, using prime numbers or using technology such as your calculator. Okay, but let's fool around with this a bit. For some reason, when I'm making a video, my option to blow it up doesn't work. It's like it's hijacked. There I have it. Okay, so let's take two prime numbers to begin with, 3 and 7. Let's look at the factors of 3. It's prime, so it can only be 1 in itself. And 7 can only be 1 in itself. Okay, they're two different prime numbers, so definitely the common factors are just 1. And therefore, the highest common factor of 3 and 7 are 1. So from that, not only do we learn that the highest common factor of 3 and 7 is 1, but that the highest common factor of any two different prime numbers is 1. But what if they're both the same number? Well, then obviously all factors will be common, and the highest common factor will be the number itself. Now what about two even semi-primes? Okay. You have 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 10, and 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Common is 2. And it's the highest common factor. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce a quick idea to you. It's called the idea of relative prime. So if we put 21 here, it's a composite number. It's a semi-prime, 3 7s, and it's a semi-prime, 2 10s. But notice there's nothing in common between them. This has 2 and 5. And this has 3 and 7 in the middle. So because they're what we call relatively prime, they don't have anything in common, the common factor is 1. Okay. Let's take this one. You have 19 and 1. And you've just 1. The common factor is 1. So let's go with 30 and 12. Okay, now this is a triprime. There's 3 prime numbers in it, so there's going to be quite a lot of pairings. Okay, so there are one pairing, 2 pairings, 3 pairings, 4. Okay, 8 factors. And for 12, there won't be quite as many as 8 because you have 2, 2 and 3 in there. There's 6 in this. There are common factors, and of course we take the one that's highest, we take the 6. Okay, so I hope you enjoy exploring with this app. See you in the next one.